How to join public Discord server on mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Simply click on plus button located on left side of your screen below all the servers. After you click on plus button, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on join a server, which is at the bottom. In here, you need to simply add a link of your public server or simply add name of the public server. After that, click on join with invite link and then press on accept invite and you're good to go. This is how to join public Discord server on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.